There's been so many crazy moves early on. I mean, we had Amazon written right here on the sticky note today to short 108. Get out of here. Let's talk about why we looked at that level. Here's Amazon today. I mean, you want to talk about a crazy move. I mean, we have the very high of the day here at 108.50, and there's our out at 102.50, right? I could go back and forth, show you the outs, show you the ins. I mean, down here, 102 has been the bottom. We don't go back that far enough, but what I wanted to show you right here was this 108 level, right? So right here, 108.50 coming into play. I mean, it's kind of one of those levels where you get a lot of these wicks. Unfortunately, our charts are going to show all these deep prints, but because of after this split, there's just been a lot of these. So, but right in here, 108.50. If you go back to the 22nd, 23rd, 24th in here, we kept bouncing off 110, 109. So honestly, today I wrote down on that sticky note that I threw that, like, let's just wait to see what happens around 108. So we want to get that short. So here's a couple shorts in the pre-market up to 108. Then as the market opens up, we just sit there at 108.50 or whatever it was, probably 108.40 something. And we're like, you know what, let's take this. The reason why we wanted this is look at yesterday. So when we started to come down, we pulled back down. Every single time we bounced off 108. And then we came in today and saw that the NASDAQ was down, right? And so it was like, okay, Amazon's been having this wild ride on the daily chart. And I thought, you know, retail's been pretty weak. Everything that we're hearing about. We had Restoration Hardware week last night as well. Notes all over, right, that there's been a weak consumer right now. We've had credit card numbers come out, not great, too much debt. So I just felt like Amazon was a short today, and it looks like we are 100% right. So we take these shorts. The first couple outs here at these pre-market levels of 107. So it's still $1.50, $1 in the money. Then as we start to come down, we start to respect some of these pre-market bottoms here again of 106, 106.50 drops down. That's a 105 out, 105.50. Let it fall the rest of the way down. And unfortunately, we don't have a big piece on, but we do wind up getting the rest out as it bounces off that 102 level. A couple lessons learned here. One, we love this 108.50. We're back short right now. So we like that level. Second lesson, definitely 102 has been supported. Unfortunately, I didn't zoom all the way back, but you guys can do the work. Look at the 102. There's a big level there at 102. When we dipped down from 130, which we had that short as well, all the way back down to 100, it stopped at 102. So we'll continue to look at that one. But yeah, I'm going to be short until we get back up to this 108.50. So we have a trade on right now. I believe it's like 107.25 or something. You can see it's at 107.44. Let it breathe. Let it breathe a little bit. If the market wants to go back up, fine. That's fine. We have our levels. We're not going to average into this until we get back near that 108 price. And then on the way down, I don't know, is view up in play again? Maybe. That's 105. This is a 50-period moving average. You can see we're well above it. The trend has definitely changed over to a long. But I'm going to say, look, I know it feels like a Friday. It's only Thursday. We're also into a holiday week next week, of course, with the 4th being on Monday. So yeah, I just feel like there's going to be some movement to the downside here. If not, we can be wrong. And if we're wrong, we'll probably get out at 109. But Amazon this morning, wow, what a great trade for us. We were just sitting in this, letting it fall down. It was amazing. We had AMD short multiple dollars as well. That was a big trade. And we had one more. I can't remember what it was, but we had a couple big banger shorts on Amazon, the trade of the day, as it just kept on falling.